Hello, and thank you for being here. We are honored to present our project, which has received the prestigious Founder Honor Award, the Nusantara Road and Highway Connectivity, in the new capital city of Indonesia. This project is a testament to our nation's unwavering commitment to sustainability, resilience, and innovations as we work to build future-ready capital that embodies Indonesian Golden Vision 2045. My name is Rizky Suframadan, and I serve as a BIM coordinator at PT Wijaya Karya, or also known as WIKA. Jakarta, Indonesia's current capital, faces long-standing challenges such as economic inequality, overpopulation, and inflation rate. This challenge has prompted strategic decisions to relocate the capital 700 miles away to Nusantara, East Borneo. Our project, Nusantara Road and Highway, serves as an economic super hub, transforming Indonesian economy to be more inclusive through the three-city ecosystem of Samarinda, Balikpapan, and Nusantara capital. As a former President Jokowi stated, what we want to build is a new work culture, a new mindset, and a Nusantara as a new economic basis. With a total project value at 4.51 trillion rupiah, which aim to reduce severe congestion currently from the total 6 hours journey to just 75 minutes. The infrastructure connectivity stands as a modern marvel with revolutionary features encompassing everything from continuous charging lane for electric vehicle to the autonomous rail transit system, led by Nusantara Task Force and executed by WIKA in collaboration with our partners. This project is not only construction and effort, but also a powerful symbol of Indonesia's unity and commitment to sustainable development. The 3B toll road segment presents both significant challenge and unique opportunity within our unit price contract project. As global warming intensifies, heavy rainfall poses a substantial risk of slope landslide, particularly in areas with soft soil properties. Additionally, our project must carefully navigate around 10 critical transmission towers along the corridor, ensuring uninterrupted power supply and operational safety. Furthermore, the segment includes 2 dedicated wildlife corridors designed to facilitate the safe passage of endangered species such as orangutan, monkeys, and proboscis monkeys. This underscoring WIKA's unwavering commitment to preserving local biodiversity and fostering an eco-friendly transportation infrastructure. Former President Joko Widodo emphasized the urgency of achieving commission readiness 2 months ahead of schedule, ensuring the infrastructure was prepared for Indonesia Independence Day celebration in August last year. These momentous occasions marked the beginning of the initial transfer to Nusantara, involving the completion of critical infrastructure to support the new capital vision of sustainability. Notably, Nusantara is set to be a fossil fuel-free zone, reinforcing Indonesia's pledge to environmental stewardship. This project stands as a beacon of technological advancement and sustainability, paving the way for the next 2 decades toward Indonesia's Golden Vision 2045, which will commemorate a century of independence with a future-ready smart capital. At the beginning of development, the task force used past authority tools as closed beam and CDA hub for all Nusantara work packages. However, the solution is deemed insufficient in achieving Nusantara vision in the future. Therefore, we realized that we need an open beam and digital twin solution to overcome the significant challenge and gain advantage on definitive solution. So in late 2022, WIKA identified a key opportunity to use Bentley BIM Open Solution to help resolve this issue and accelerating this project by 2 months ahead to June 2024. WIKA initiated an Open BIM strategy to present a solution based on maximizing the strength and specialty of different BIM tools in the smartest way possible. One notable example, OpenBridge used to model full elevated intersection due to the only efficient bridge parametric solution. So WIKA encouraged task force and joint operational team to work based on quality using an IFC standard, as long as it fulfills the project target while maximizing the benefit. The Open BIM methodology supports transparent, open cooperation of all project participants regardless of the software. The digital twin are crucial for accurately reflecting real-world conditions, whether during construction and post-operation maintenance. For instance, iTwin Capture Modeler was used to process 500 hectares of aerial survey from UAV imageries with LiDAR sensor to speed volume measurement, giving valuable data for design review and perform cut and fill operation. OpenRoads has industrial accepted method for assessing risk of aquaplaning on longitudinal gradient in 3B section and roundabout in national axis, which has some more than 4 mm that adjust the geometry design accordingly. The OpenBIM helps manage massive elevated structure data with its powerful parametric features. To analyze elastoplastic model for slope protection, we relied on Plexis 2D. The team also utilized the integrated open tunnel to design and analyze the animal corridor. Then, the federated model synchronized to iTwin design review to run model checking and ensure the model right before visualizing in Luminarty. WIKA also developed project integrated dashboard using iTwin with Power BI, the data connector, to monitor various insights including visual progress, project performance, and strategic issue briefly. On the construction side, ProjectWise helps to achieve a fully digital workflow as a document management system. The sharing strategy between discipline, display, BIM collaboratively to ensure the LOD and LOI matches the AIR and has a geospatial information contained within. WIKA encouraged joint operational team to collaborate and plan sequence directly using synchro versus conventionally. So WIKA used Wijaya load scanner as a third party to calculate material volume in real time using a LiDAR scanner, which can calculate volume with an accuracy up to 99% in less than a minute. WIKA used TopCon, such as onboard unit, an intelligent compactor, which enables project team remote heavy equipment position and engine status using a Sightlink 3D web. WIKA fully committed to minimize the environmental impact, preserving local biodiversity, and creating sustainable, eco-friendly transportation infrastructure. A typical passenger vehicle emits about 4.6 metric tons of CO2 per year, so there is no fossil fuel vehicle permitted in Nusantara. This highway will adopt charging lane technology from Sweden to allow vehicle charging while cruising the road. The environmental impact caused by massive land clearing for toll road development, which include deforestation. WIKA helped carry out reforestation and provide nursery area and plant 52,000 trees along the toll road. WIKA also used a hydro seeding in slopes for reducing the level of erosivity of road slope. Nusantara is an area with high biodiversity, with a high endemic level. WIKA pays attention to its impact on the habitat of wild animal and revert to the biodiversity master plan. We use an open tunnel to design animal corridors according to the behavior of existing wildlife. The Mahakam River poor water quality is raising concern of enough water access in the new capital. So multi-utility tunnel in the access road will ensure tap water distributed through the pipeline from Sepaku Dam and provide sanitation for all. It is used as an underground utility system for better urban aesthetics and protected from bad weather, easier maintenance, and avoid sabotage. This massive construction will be encouraging economy through the investment infrastructure, push the output of the other sector, and creation employment opportunity. Micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSME, along the construction are increasingly feeling the positive impact. WIKA helped contribute double MSME economic turnover and accelerate the economy of East Borneo about 6.22% above average. Finally, WIKA with its subsidiary WIKA Beton is developing a structural health monitoring system across the corridor later in operation maintenance phase. The task force carry out BIM quality control in bi-weekly basis, so WIKA ensure all model in all disciplines pass the quality checklist sheet. iTwin capture helps increase speed, accuracy, and consistency of data processing by 100% than traditional survey. Plexis and OpenRoads facilitates up to 35% faster iterating design alternative in slope protection compared to other solutions. The result? We choose the best option in combination of second pile, bore pile, and retaining wall. This result increased the safety factors from 1.078 to 1.309, which fulfilled the residual safety requirement. WIKA also used above 23,000 minipile foundation for handling subsoil in several toll road locations. So WIKA used a WIKA Beton concrete, which utilized a Portland composite cement or PCC and fly ash as a concrete mixture. Based on the iTwin embodied carbon calculations, we save around 51,000 tons of CO2 emission, which equal to $1.6 million on social cost of carbon. WIKA committed to minimize the environmental impact, preserving local biodiversity, and creating a sustainable, eco-friendly transportation infrastructure. WIKA successfully achieved 35% efficiency in construction process delivery while reducing design error by 80%. Bentley Open Solutions also helps WIKA increase the project commercial impact in the design review by 12% of the project cost. With the Bentley digital delivery approach, we are optimistic to achieve the commissioning target by June 2024, shorten the schedule by 25% faster than the plan. Meanwhile, the Autonomous Rail Transit or ART that will operate at the governmental core area, it can detect existing road marking, so it doesn't require track to avoid construction, land use, and environmental impact. WIKA has reached a significant milestone last year. The 3B road segment and all basic infrastructure were finally ready. Then all the segment of Nusantara toll road will later be completed in the middle of 2025. Infrastructure development in Nusantara cannot rely only on a business as usual practice. Given the dynamic nature of a horizontal construction, there is no way to ensure that 2D drawing and 3D model are in sync. So we can choose Bentley Open Solution and its interoperability capability to develop a digital delivery system. This shifting of a work culture with push forward project for developing a new technology and adding a new dimension of a BIM and digital twin development across the entire life cycle. So, we can achieve 35% efficiency in the construction process delivery while reducing design error by 80%. With Bentley digital delivery approach, we successfully achieved commissioning target by June last year, shortened the schedule by 25% faster than planned. Nusantara has learned from various capital transitions with comprehensive ASDG or Environmental Sustainable Development Goals, fulfillment and going digital implementation brings the bright future of Nusantara development stages in the next decades. If you'd like to know about Nusantara, you can scan this QR code so you can become part of the journey. Thank you for your kind of attention.